Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is the weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday, May 27, 2024 and the week ends on 31st May 2024. So tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must have made very awesome profits in the last 2 weeks. And last week I couldn't upload the weekly Forex forecast video because most of the setups that I have discussed in the previous videos, those setups were still active last week. So I thought let's wait for the setups to complete and then I will make another weekly Forex forecast for all of my audience and all of my subscribers. So right here, as you can see on the euro dollar, uh, this rally we have followed all the way from right here in the weekly forecast till there, and it has got completed several challenges we saw, and then obviously in the previous week when the setup was completed, obviously this sell signal was issued, which is partial profit with like break even, but I think this plan needs some sort of confirmation and discussion as well. Secondly, the dollar index, this pattern all of you can see, it got completed. I have discussed it in most of my weekly Forex forecast videos, so it's right here in front of you. And what I was thinking is that after this point D it should drop, and the drop obviously occurred, and after this drop it even gave some short period trading setups. The Fibonacci stay with me in this session, and I will also be discussing that. So, and again, gold US dollar last week was a fantastic one. Even the week before that was a fantastic one as well. uh, we have seen a strong up move, then a very nice comeback from up there. Obviously it was discussed as well, so it will be part of today's session as well. Then dollar yen, let's see, this is still pending, so let me delete it for now. And pound yen, I have to discuss it today as well. And pound dollar, if we can see, again a lot of the stuff going on. This entry you will remember, I gave it right here on 24th of April. So in the longer run gave fantastic profits without even getting against us for a single pip. So I think that is something that I'm so much happy about. And I also want to say very special thanks to all of you who have appreciated my work, who gave me good feedback in the comments of those videos, and also those who became my clients. I am so sure you will not regret, and most of you out there, if you are watching me, are happy. So since all of you know I am long-term trader, the first thing is, and the second thing is, whenever I identify a setup I usually give one move to the market, and this is not something that every trader is repeating or practicing. But remember, this is so much important. When you make profits and you close your deals, everything, after that what you need to do is you obviously wait for the next move in the market. So these are the instruments I will be discussing. Plus let's have a look at the dollar CAD. Here it worked, here it worked, then here again it worked, you will remember in my videos. So again, thank you so much for the feedback. But obviously this is like obviously my achievement, but if we see, we that will also be my achievement if I analyze it today, and that happened in the upcoming week. For fresh subscribers or audience who are watching my videos. So let's begin this analysis session. I'm like a bit down on energy today. Too much heat right here, almost 41 degrees Celsius right here. But anyways, and sorry about the air conditioner if it is keep disturbing right here. Anyways, so starting from the dollar index and the dollar index analysis, I'm not going to run a fresh one. This pattern will obviously be there, but I will be deleting some of the lines that I don't need any more, and that is something I also want to suggest all of you watching me, that once your setup is met, try to keep your charts as clean as possible. So deleting this Fibonacci as well, and now this D worked very nicely. So this is the previous analysis, and if I count in terms of pips, it was still here. Just see how much pips or points it is. 1297. So a very good uh, trade opportunity right here. And what happened after this is a drop and a retest. So let's see what it is going to do next. Obviously this is a fresh analysis, and I'm going to delete these things plus these lines as well, and I think I'm good to go. So now we have this C to D leg of the market. Pay very close attention to what I'm saying right now. If we see, we have a very nice support already established, discussed in the previous videos as well, and as expected, bulls took charge of this level as well, right? So bulls are in control. But whenever we see that, okay, what kind or type of bulls are they? So obviously there was one tiny Fibonacci, the H4 with us, and according to that there is a very tiny ABCD pattern, and obviously partially completed, a little bit of still like a drop is expected, and this is like the daily time frame. So what's next now is we have to see whether this 104 is going to be a good level to take a buy. So having a look at the weekly time frame, and then the things will start to become easy for all of us. Right here on the weekly time frame, if we see, since this pattern is completed, and any decisions we are going to take on the basis of this pattern, that decision was right here, we made profit out of it. Now we want to find out that, okay, where this market is going to go next. So for that, if we see right here, this is a very nice and fantastic support, and this is a very fantastic previous resistance. Just have a look at it, or let me extend it a little bit like this. Do you see a very good amount of activity happened right here as well? Then all the way breakout, market never respected this, respected right here, but the big respect was we have had this point B, which worked very nicely, giving us point C, and after C we got this point D. Okay, now this is complete. This is at a nice previous resistance, current support zone. Moving back to the daily time frame to find out that, okay, what is the actual place that we should look for our buy positions further. So right here, those who took buy positions from right here, well, let's have a look at it. Let's discuss it for sell first. Well, the ideal situation in my opinion for the sell right here, I will be looking for a sell near 105.55 in the upcoming week, and for a buy I definitely will be looking for 61.8% retracement that comes right here. So I can surely say that 103.839 is going to be a fantastic buying opportunity. Now it depends on the audience or the clients or the traders that how they want to trade it. Now let's delete these Fibonacci's and let me draw your attention to this ABCD pattern. So this ABCD pattern, if you see, let me make a clone of it as well, and if you see, this is a very fantastic ABCD pattern. See how this drop from point D, as I have told you in the previous video, it occurred, is giving us this breakout, retest and another entry. And guess what, this is not yet exactly complete. So why market dropped from right here? If I make the chart like this, you will clearly understand that this is going to be a Fibonacci of these people. If I show you the H4, you will clearly see 618, and right as soon as the market touches 618, retracement of the Fibonacci, this is a magical number, I should say, and it dropped. So if I show you, there is another hidden ABCD pattern, and that is this one, and I'm sure enough it is also pointing down towards 103.400, which is hard to achieve. For that, the market has to break this 103.839, and then once that occurs, once everything confirms, another buying zone near 103.502 will be right here. So I think this fantastic analysis should give you a lot of profits, and obviously this is also a good sell zone, so this one should give you a good take profit for these bulls, and a new fresh story will start as a seller from there. Personally, I will be interested more in this 105.57. Now remember, those of you who say Aftab is saying market is going to drop from here, I'm not saying market is 100% going up there. No one can tell you that this is going to occur. No one can tell you, right? So obviously these bulls who took profits, partial profits already they book if you are on my strategy, and the rest of the profits maybe you can stop out at break even, but that's not a big problem. We can take it from a good price point. If it continue to the top side 105.500, what will happen is this impulsive leg we will have. There is also good, these bullish trades we took from right here, we will close them with profit, and then we will again try to take another pattern as a bear, and that should be pointing towards 103.034. see how magical this number is. If you combine the trends with it as well, you can get even a more clear vision and clear view of the market. Plus if I add Fibonacci with divergence, it will further make the image more clear. But I think this is the easiest way. I didn't discuss in any of my weekly forex forecast video, I did not discuss in this much detail. I want all of the traders to understand and learn. Now if I gave you this dollar index, and if you are a pro trader, you should automatically be able to trade these other pairs. But since there are a lot of subscribers who have a bit less knowledge, so for them I will also be discussing the euro dollar now. And the euro dollar, I would like to delete everything because I need a neat and clean chart. Let's have a look at the monthly time frame first of all, and just find out. See a very nice support. Market broke below this. Like, see, the bulls appeared right here, but they were stopped out. They became sellers right here, and again this level is not respected by the price. The rally was so strong back in August 2022, and again in September 2023, this previous one around 8-9 months back, and it became a good support. So I can say on the monthly we have these types of support and resistance currently in the market. Now moving on to the weekly time frame, things will start to change a little bit in a very positive way. First of all, let me draw your attention to this. Do you see this thing? Another attention I want to draw, and that is the Fibonacci 618% retracement. Right here I want to make things a little bit of clear. See, 1.09682 we took a sell, it was against us, we booked profit. If I show you this number right here where we exited the market, that was again a Fibonacci number, and if you can see exactly 618% retracement. So this is going to be so much important for me. Now these levels are very much important for me, but I want to draw your attention to very specific part on this chart. Just have a look at this, and let me adjust it a little bit as well. And right here if we see, again this much false breakout occurred. So obviously I will be considering it. This is a very good indication for me that this is going to be an ABCD pattern. Plus, along with this ABCD pattern, what other thing happened is A to B, or let me do it properly. See, ABCD pattern, this A to B, B to C, and C to D. Just have a look at it. And also now this is going to be a whole as an impulsive leg, and usually when we identify an impulsive leg, it definitely will have, let me delete these lines now, we don't need them, we will have a Fibonacci number right here. Most of you know. Now let me show you again. 618. So 1.09316 again is going to be a good sell zone. And remember, even if I tell you this is a good sell zone, and if it hits your stop loss, still if you are exactly following me, you are on the right track, because any setup that I publish or I give to my clients or I give right here on my channel, any setup, it will have like this much of stop loss and this much of take profit. So if I say like money management is almost right here, okay, so because I don't want more people to be taking bad trading decisions, no, not at all. And remember, there are some situations like right here, I can assure you most of the traders are holding sell positions all the way from right here. Why? Because it was dropping. So if it is dropping, obviously everyone takes a position emotionally at this. But guess what? This was not closed yet, right? So this 106048 became a very good buying opportunity. Now if we see this 1.09316 is a fantastic opportunity with us, and on a daily time frame that we see, let me delete everything, this trend line is going to play a very important role right here, and obviously giving us this buying opportunity all the way from selling from all the way right here, and a buying opportunity near 1.07159. you just stick with these plans and then see the return, the amount of returns that it will be giving you. That's my promise with all of you. So 107,000 in the upcoming week or upcoming few days or few weeks can become a good take profit zone from the sell, those who took sell from there, and a very good buying opportunity from right here, again a very good selling opportunity from 109316. And see, this is also, I'm not not saying it from myself, this is what I'm saying is the market is telling me this. There is a very good support, but does that mean we need to take buy positions from right here? Well, obviously personally I will not be taking any buying opportunity. Buying opportunity is right here near 107,000, somewhere closer to these parts or these places on the chart. So good opportunities waiting for us, and I'm so sure enough most of you out there, if you can even follow, I advise you to follow these setups on the demo account. If you are a new subscriber on my channel, you can just apply it on a demo account and see how much profit it will be giving you, right? So euro dollar, is that clear? If you have any questions, just ask me in the comment section down below, and I will get back to you on this, maybe uh, in another video. Daily forecast videos, I'm also planning to uh, I'm like planning to upload one video every day, but for that I obviously will need some sort of feedback. Now dollar index is done, euro dollar is done, gold US dollar, if we see, let me delete everything. Monthly, let's have a look at it. We have nothing to this side of the market. Historical highs going on at the moment, 2334, it is trading and it is still pointing up on the lower time frames, but let's find out the broken levels. This is the broken level, and I can assure you that market definitely will be coming back to 2080 somewhere at this zone, and obviously this is going to be a resistance with us. So see, we have identified two zones. Moving on to the weekly, and on a weekly there is also enough amount of sellers we have. So obviously in 1 week it may not be dropping like this, but if I show you a Fibonacci number at this 2058, we also have a very fantastic Fibonacci number as well, and this is going to be a sure buying opportunity with all of us. For the selling, well, obviously this is like sort of a double top. See, this is a double top, I should say, and I have explained it in my live streams when I used to live stream. So market seems to be dropping, and on the H4, if I see near 2380, there is a very good sell opportunity waiting for us. But in my opinion, I think gold has completed its moves, and if it is going to stop all of us out from the market, it will be doing this. And currently on the lower time frame, this is what it is showing, that it is pointing toward 2499, from where I will be taking a sell trade, and if I have any buy position, I will close it up there, and then I will be again pointing down towards this. So this whole area as a profit will be then mine. If this move occurs, that will be a fantastic one. Why? Because from right here I will take a buy, I will close it, enough profits. My sell is already running. Okay, sell is already running from right here. It has a stop loss above 2600, a big stop loss, but also a very big take profit from this one as well, and I will be holding it from month 2 3 till September. I will be holding it, or maybe October, November. So gold is also very fantastic. Dollar yen, if you can check out my previous video, that will be good, because selling should start from 157.87 for those traders who already remember. If you made this much profit, then this sell zone is for you. Okay, if you are taking a fresh opportunity, for that you have to wait near 160.607, because right here, if you didn't make this profit, this is not a very sure guaranteed setup for all of us. This is going to be a good buying opportunity. 153 and 151 is also a good buying opportunity that I discussed in the previous videos. Moving on to the pound dollar, and on the pound dollar, if we see, I'm so much happy I made this much profit, and at the moment I want to give one more move to the market. So on the pound dollar, I just want to see, because it is pointing towards the top. It doesn't mean it will be doing it in one day or 1 week, but still a setup is a setup. On a daily time frame, if I show you, this level is broken, right? So let me actually delete some of these lines. So that the chart becomes clear. This is like fantastic one. I'm so much happy about this. Let's delete it. Let's delete this one. How nicely it is following all of these setups. Plus I have to check for the Fibonacci, and the Fibonacci says that there, see, we took a sell from right here. First of all, this was not a valid sell. Why? This level was a sell 1.26585, but why it was not a valid setup is because the daily candle closes above that. So let's suppose in such situations, if you took a sell, just like I took a sell right here, the daily closed up there, I closed the position, it came down, took a retest, I could enter as a bull. But nah, my friend, nah, never, ever, ever, never. So I'm waiting for some confirmations and will be giving some moves to the market for fresh opportunities. Let's delete, since this is of no use to me now. Fresh opportunities, if we see this is going to drop towards this zone right here, if we can see easily 618, 1.24727 can become a good buying opportunity. And those who are holding sell positions from right here, maybe it can become a very good zone for take profit. Pound yen hit my SL. I can't do anything, right, my friend? I want to keep these things transparent. I gave it a try. It didn't run in my favor. It hit the SL. Story finish, right? It doesn't mean that I will chase the market, that okay, now I will again be selling from here, selling from here. If I show you this particular place, a lot of the sellers are stuck from right here emotionally. Sellers are stuck right here emotionally. When the setup didn't work and the bulls took charge of it, these sellers couldn't make profit out of those moves. Why? Because they're, once a person is already stuck, obviously the person can't do anything, right? And similarly the dollar CAD, if, oh, that is a fantastic one. These fantastic trades we took, so I'm going to delete them, right? I have to delete to keep the chart a bit cleaner. And this buy is still active because we haven't seen any sort of, now this sell is active. All of them I have discussed in my previous videos. Again another buy. How much setups you guys need? Still, when someone say it doesn't work, we are not able to make money, I'm not sure why you are not going to make money, why you can't. So dollar CAD, well, let's see, let's wait for this range to be broken to either side of the market, then I will be able to discuss it nicely. Let's see if there is any analysis on the Bitcoin. Well, nothing much. Let's see, 43,000 is one level I'm looking to add fresh buying right here, but at the moment nothing. New Zealand US dollar, well, let's see this impulsive wave in April 2024. Check out my weekly forecast videos, I must have discussed it. If someone is not able to make money out of it, I'm not sure why can't you hold your emotions for a while and just listen to me and just trade it. But anyways, 0.61784 is going to be a sell area, let's see. And this is going to be a buy zone for all of us towards 61.8% retracement, 0.59751. Fantastic one. For the US oil, I got a lot of messages. I wasn't discussing it in my weekly forecast videos. I took this trade and then I took several trades right here. Those who trade and most of my clients who trade the US oil, they have made like thousands and thousands of dollars on this one. So it is one of my favorite ones, especially I discuss it with my premium clients because it gives too much profit in very less time and with very less greed and very less risk. So but anyways, standing at a buy point near 76.38, this 84.07 was already discussed when price was right here. This 67 level, you will remember, I can find out that clip. I said this is going to be a fantastic buying opportunity for long term, and each time the market comes down, give a 618, take a buy, and see, each time it drop, a buy, drop, a buy again. From right here, tiny stories as well, and finally a bigger drop right here. So now we have to observe the market, because from right here the market is again showing a 618 retracement level, and I definitely will be taking some selling opportunity from there is, well, plus all of the plans will be shared with the premium clients. So yes, this is it. I hope you guys understand what I said, and I hope you guys make lots and lots of profits. The video length is almost exceeded by 5 minutes, so sorry about that. I'm a bit low on energy and I wanted to keep things as simple as I can. Right, my friends, this is my WhatsApp number. If anyone wants to join my premium service, I can only accommodate one client. So just serious people contact me, those who are in losses or who cannot make profit or who have family problems or psychological trading issues or whatever they must be. Contact me and I can mentor you, because in forex trading you cannot succeed without a mentor. So if you like my work, you can hire me as a mentor, a 3 month course as well, in which I teach my strategy, and also a proper mentorship program in which I, on daily basis, weekly basis, daily basis, and we are connected on WhatsApp, video chat, and the client's feedback is very fantastic. So thank you so much, everyone. I will see you next week most probably, and I keep you in my prayer, you keep me in your prayer. Thank you so much, and take a lot of care of yourself. I have tried to give you good levels. So see you in the next video. Till then, try to subscribe the channel, the bell icon, the like, the share, everything. Take care. Goodbye.